Hello, my name is Leo Bargelt, and I run a machine shop, welding shop here in Washington, North Carolina. I became a machinist because at a young age, when I was 13, I started watching my uncle do machine work. I was looking over his shoulder and got interested in machining. Also the welding. So I went to a community college to learn the trade as it's taught here in the United States. My uncle was from Germany. He was from the old school and learned the old school machining techniques. My mother was from Switzerland, so I'm a first generation American trying to learn this new trade at a young age of 13. The name of the company is Advanced Metal Fabrication. I bought it from my uncle in 1995. We repair items and we machine new parts for various companies and factories. We are classified as a custom job shop, which means we get drawings or blueprints from individuals or companies, and we build per their specifications. People in a factory or off the street, they damage something and they bring it to us to be welded. If it can be welded, if it's weldable metal, we can weld it. The only welding we don't do is underwater welding here. It can be very challenging. That's why I like doing this kind of work. We see some stuff that a lot of shops will not take on. So we specialize in small quantities, and we don't do a whole lot of mass production because we do conventional machining. We don't do any CNC machining here. I'm going to operate this business as long as I have work to do and my health stays with me. I am starting to feel aches and pains from years of tightening things down and kneeling down, and it's just regular wear and tear on your body to run a business like this. Thank you.